delightful dolls here. Quickly before we get started, the shoutouts for today go to Layla's Luxurious World, Dragon Lord, and my toy friends. Thank you so much for commenting, and remember, if you'd like a shout out, all you have to do is comment something nice in my videos. So while I was gone on my trip, I did get some henna tattoo, and I really like how it looks. It's also known as Mehndi, so I thought, why not give some to our dolls as well? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to give your doll some non-permanent removable henna. So what you're going to need is some glue. I'm using Elmer's tacky glue, but I think Elmer's white glue would work a lot better. I just didn't have any with me. Some paint for the color of your henna, and something small like a toothpick for drawing the design on your doll's hand. So first I started just by squeezing out some glue. And then using my paints to make the color that I would like. At first, I kind of made my color a little bit darker than I wanted to, but you can kind of play around with the color that you want your henna to look like. And once you are all happy with your color, then you can start to draw the design on your doll's hand. Now you can take lots of time to make sure that the details are perfect. And I just did my henna kind of up the arm as well. So make sure that your doll's hand is facing the right way if it's an articulated hand. You can also use this same technique for doing nail polish on a doll or any other design. And this is what the end result looks like. I actually really like how it looks. Honestly, mine is a little bit darker than I wanted it to be. But like I said earlier, you can easily play around with the colors, and you could also use this technique for nail polish or other tattoos that you wouldn't want to be permanent on your doll. And it is super simple to remove. All you have to do is just peel it off, and it's actually quite satisfying as well. So I hope you guys like this video and try giving your doll some henna or Mehndi. And make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!